fresh food items, supermarket items, fashion, lifestyle and many more. If you ask me which is this place, I have only one answer. That's my favorite shopping destination, Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket. Come on this weekend, that is 25th, 26th and 27th of November, and be a part of their 3 days unbeatable deals. As a part of this deal, you can grab so many offers. Come with me. Dun-dun-dun, it's very difficult to beat this deal. Pride of India Basmati rice 5 kg, the actual price is 42 dirhams. As a part of this deal, you can grab this for just 19.99 dirhams. It's a Friday offer. It's a Friday offer. Noor sunflower cooking oil 2 into 1.5 litre just for 24.99 dirhams. Nadal full cream long life milk for half the price. 16 dirhams was the actual price. As a part of this deal, you can grab this for just 8.99 dirhams. Offer valid only on Friday and Saturday. As a part of Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket's 3 days unbeatable deals, you can grab this pouch of Anchor milk powder just for 29.99 dirhams. There is a small condition. You have to make a minimum purchase of 150 dirhams on supermarket item. This offer is valid only on Friday. From 26.50, the price is slashed down to just 12.99 dirhams for this Nescafe coffee metal jar, that too 200 grams. Tomato jar in per kg just for 2.99 dirhams. To avail this offer, come on Friday and Saturday. Just pay only 1.75 dirhams for onion per kg, that too on Thursday. Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket's Applicious, where you can find varieties of apples across the globe. Apple Royal Gala all the way from South Africa per kg is just 3.99 dirhams. Thursday and Fridays are for prawns lovers. Fresh prawns per kg actual price was 28.99 dirhams. As a part of our deal, you can grab this for just 15.99 dirhams. As a part of this 3 days unbeatable deals, you can grab this Kenyan fresh mutton just for 22.99 dirhams. Offer valid only on Friday. Just pay 9.99 dirhams for this 5 into 200 feeds of Alocosi facial tissue. Grab this yummy and delicious beef biryani, that to 500 grams just for 6.99 dirhams. Offer valid only on this Friday, that too from 12 p.m. onwards till 8 p.m. Oh my god, look at the price of this Ariel washing powder, that to 14 kg. Actual price is 114. As a part of this deal, you can grab this for just 69.99 dirhams. It's not actually fitness challenge, it's price challenge. Comfort Flora Soft 3.9 liters, the actual price was 28 dirhams. As a part of this deal, you can grab this for just 18.99 dirhams. It's a Thursday and Friday offer. Fine Baby Super Dry Smart Lock diapers, that too is sorted. Actual price was almost 62 dirhams. As a part of this deal, you can buy this for just 34.99 dirhams. It's a Thursday Friday offer. 4 into 135 grams of Dove bath soap. The actual price was 24.99 dirhams. As a part of this deal, you have to pay only 9.99 dirhams. From 149 dirhams, the price is slashed down to 79 dirhams for Royal Ford cookware set, that too 7-piece. You can save 200 dirhams on this Akai top load washing machine, that too 7 kg. From 899, the price has come down to just 699 dirhams. Videocon Smart LED TV, that too 65-inch. The actual price was almost 2,099. As a part of this deal, you can buy this for just 1,799 dirhams. As a part of the 3 days unbeatable deals at Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket, you can buy Samsung Galaxy A12s, 4GB RAM and 128GB memory just for 690 dirhams. This time, travel with Paragon. 20, 24 and 28 sizes of 4-wheel ABS hard trolley just for 269 dirhams. From 49 dirhams, Fairy Life double bed spread assorted has come down to just 24.50 dirhams. For all the fitness freaks, men's and women's sports shoes, the actual price was 59 dirhams. As a part of this deal, you can buy this for just 29 dirhams. As we all know, winter is here. Before that, the long weekend is going to come up. Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket is all set to welcome all these celebrations. So do come to Nadal Hummer Nesto Hypermarket on this weekend, especially on 25th, 26th and 27th of November for their 3 days unbeatable deal. Nesto, all that you need.